to chemical pack. Well, this one has seen significant gains, largely fueled by the hopes that Chinese companies may pause dumping into India as announced by the stimulus, which was expected to boost the economy. Varsha brings us more on how this can benefit Indian IT companies. Varsha, tell us more about this. What is aiding this move and what is important for Indian IT companies about this?
Well, thank you, Ruja, for that. But today actually chemical companies, so there's been profit booking going on in chemical companies. But if you see the last few sessions, the likes of Clean Science, your Deepak Nitrite and Navin Fluorine were all up. Now this is on the back of China announcing their stimulus plan. So what is exactly happening in China? That China has approved $1.4 trillion of economic stimulus to help their economy grow, and also following a loose policy next year to make borrowing easier. Now, why does this matter to Indian chemical companies? Because if China is giving stimulus, then the demand in China will increase, and because of that, China will stop dumping the chemicals that it has been doing since long. So technically, this means low competition to Indian chemical companies. But let's see, what exactly is China dumping? What are those chemicals that China is dumping? So starting with caustic soda, you have acetic acid, then you have soda ash, and a lot of all the other chemicals that China is been dumping. So if you see the month-on-month price for these chemicals, so if you see acetic acid is actually down 9%, which is bad for GNFC but good for Lakshmi Organics and Jubilant Ingrevia, because they use this as a raw material. But look at the soda ash prices is down 6% month on month, and of course year on year and quarter on quarter the prices are also down because China has been dumping so much. Now if soda ash is down 6%, that will actually impact the realization of Tata Chemicals, because Tata Chemicals sells soda ash. Then you have phenol, which is down 5.6% month on month, negative for Deepak Nitrite, because Deepak Nitrite sells phenol. If the prices are low, that means the revenue for this phenol will be low for Deepak Nitrite, hence affecting the financials. And we have seen in a lot of chemical companies, the financials of these companies have degrown. The margins are under pressure because China has been dumping a lot in India since last 1.5 years. Now, the good news is, if there would be more policy announcement by China, maybe all this negative prices or all this decline in prices may turn positive, and we may see the prices of these chemical companies to go up and may benefit Indian chemical companies. But this is all on news right now, it's all on paper. We need to wait and watch what exactly stimulus China will announce for FY25.
Well, of course, that has to be waited and watched. But thanks for that detail and analysis along with the stock impact. Very interesting, Varsha.